Hello guys, today I would like to discuss several points regarding today's market activity. Okay, very first I would like to say about the trading view chart and your broker's chart. Particularly, personally, I am using the Zerodha, okay, and I am also using IFL in the Quantower application, Quantower software for order flow and the market profiling. Okay, so there is some differences in that, so I would like to show you that. Then I would like to say something about the today's trading, how you can go for the trade. You know that every day I am sharing you the pre-market analysis audio in our Telegram channel. मैं आपको हर रोज टेलीग्राम के चैनल में प्री मार्केट एनालिसिस ऑडियो भेजता हूँ एंड उसके ऊपर मार्केट ओपन भी करता है, उस हिसाब से मार्केट आपको ट्रेड्स भी देता है. Okay, so how you can generate some good trade ideas from that, I'm going to discuss you that as well. Okay, so kindly stay till the end of this video. So very first, the opening of the Bank Nifty, it was at 42,603. Okay, but here if you are looking for here in this trading view chart, then it is just showing you the 295, 42,295, and high it is of 365. So there is some misinterpretation of data from the chart. Okay, if you are going to look out for this Bank Nifty chart, Bank Nifty sport chart on trading view directly. Okay, so मैं बार बार आपको ये कह भी रहा हूँ, तो kindly look out for this as well. Then second thing, how you can go for the trade. If you analyze the market, okay, then if you are looking for the very first minute candle, then it was a drastic fall, okay, from this 603 to drastic over here within a very first candle, not the first candle, within a very first 1 to 2 seconds, मार्केट यहाँ पर डायरेक्टली यहाँ पर आ गया था एंड यहाँ पर ट्रेड करने लगा था. सो व्हाट यू कैन गो फॉर, हाउ यू कैन गो फॉर द ट्रेड. Look, if you are going to measure out from this 603 to this one, it is almost 1%. And if you know the initial balance and the 6 steps of market days, then what is the initial balance now? This is 1%. This is very wide, This is wide. So better to stay very light. Look out for some other market formations. Live market formation, I clearly mentioned you that in the pre-market analysis today. आपको अच्छे से कहा हुआ था. Plus one more thing. In pre-market analysis audio, I also said that market is going to open minus 0.56% and the opening range could be minus 0.4 to the 0.65%. 0.65 minus 0.4 to 0.65. But market opened more than 1% on the higher side. It was purely the gap of opening, positiveness. भर के आपको प्री मार्केट एनालिसिस ऑडियो में कहा था, भर के. काइंडली स्टे लाइट, लुक आउट फॉर सम लाइव मार्केट फॉर्मेशन. देयर कुड बी सम प्रॉफिट बुकिंग. Without any OI analysis, without any volume, without any world market analysis, without any other data, I am saying each and everything before the market. Now, it's your duty to interpret something. It's your duty to find some trade ideas from that. So, today I'm going to give you one good trade idea for the opening. Okay, मैं आपको ये strategy देने वाला हूँ आज completely ऐसे ही, nothing. I'm not going to say you that kindly enroll for this, kindly join for this. Okay, नहीं, मैं ऐसा कुछ नहीं कहने वाला हूँ. Just follow this on day-to-day base. It is available for free. Okay, yes, it is purely from my side. And you do not have to analyze here and there. आपको क्या करना है, every day you have to listen my pre-market analysis audio in Telegram channel. Guys, if you haven't joined the Telegram channel, then link will be in the description. हर रोज होती है, लिंक जो है वो डिस्क्रिप्शन में होगी. एंड एवरी डे आपको प्री मार्केट एनालिसिस का ऑडियो बिफोर द मार्केट ओपनिंग मिल जाता है. नाउ in that I am mentioning something that today market is going to open at this place. The opening range could be this one, like this. Every day, if you are going to hear that on a day-to-day basis, you will find that. Yes, you can scroll in the Telegram channel as well. Let me show you. देखो, 8:11 पर ये मैंने शेयर किया था. आज मैंने बहुत लंबी बात करी थी, 7 मिनट का हो गया. Otherwise, generally it will be 2 minutes, 3 minutes like that. Okay, most of the time 2 to 3 minutes on an average. But आज थोड़ा ज्यादा कहा था. तो ज्यादा का फायदा भी होता है, तो वो आपको आज चार्ट पर दिख गया होगा. ओके, एंड यहाँ पर देखो, डोंट चैलेंज और डाउट ऑन आरडीज प्री मार्केट एनालिसिस ऑडियो. तो आप जरा के थोड़ा ये सुन लीजिएगा, ओके, काइंडली लिसन आउट दिस. On day to day base, guys, look here, 905, here 828, here 803. So on day to day base, you are going to have this pre-market analysis audio. Okay, kindly go for that and you will find something. Now, how you can go for the trade? Let's take today's example. Okay, let's take today's example. So today I said that market should open 0. Let me take the text. Okay, so today what I said today, let me take the bigger text. Okay, today I said that open should be minus 0.56% and the range could be 0.4 to minus 0.65%. Okay, minus 0.4%, just 1 minute, minus 0.4% to minus 0.65%. So today it was this, but the actual open was greater than plus 1%. Okay, I'm not, I think maybe it is 1.12% like that, but I'm just referring 1% in round figure. So what is the thing? यहाँ पर आपको देखना क्या है? What you have to look out for is open should be here and the range is this. Let's say the range is this one, but it is opening at this place. It is opening at this place. So most of the time, most of the cases, for more than 90 to 95% of time, okay, this is accuracy. Okay, so here from this, whenever you are going to have opportunity, market short will go to this range. Okay, आप यहां से यहां तक का ये टारगेट रख सकते हो. नाउ इट्स योर ड्यूटी टू फाइंड आउट योर ट्रेड एंट्री लोकेशन, द ट्रेड सेटअप. मैंने यहां पर ये आपको हिंट दे दी कि भाई चलो इस तरह से होगा, एंड होने वाला है, होगा. मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम में होता है ऐसा. You have to wait for very first 1 minute candle, 5 minute candle, 15 minute candle, based on the market condition, based on the trading locations, based on the Cambrilla market profile, all such things. Okay, based on the any supply and demand zones on the chart. Okay, so but the thing is here this gap should be at least 0.3%. 0.3% of gap, the difference should be there. Means what? Here this is the 0.4, this is the 0.4, 0.65 it is at here, and actual one it is at here. So what I am saying is, from this to this upper boundary, this gap should be at least 0.3%. 0.3% at least. Okay, then and then only you can look out for something, huh? Yes or no? What is the 0.1%? 40 points, 42 points of the Bank Nifty. 42 into 3 means 0.3%. So it is going to be more than 100 points. So some of the time you can have some scalping opportunity. Some of the time you are going to have the intraday opportunity. Today we are having the intraday opportunity. Now you got this point. Let's say on the downside it is 0.65, and let's say market is going to open minus 0.1%, huh? Minus 1% on the downside. So here from this 0.65 to minus 1, what is the difference over there? 0.35%. So here you can look out for call. Today here from this to this you can look out for put. Okay, this is the strategy. Guys, kindly save this video because ये जो है ना ये आपको कहीं नहीं मिलने वाला है. एंड मैं आपको मालूम है कि मैं जो हूं ना, आपको मार्केटिंग वाली या फिर आपको ग्लैमरस चीजें दिखाने वाली बात कभी भी नहीं करता हूं. जो रियल है, जो प्रोफेशनल है, विच इज प्रोफेशनल समवॉट, बिजनेस ओरिएंटेड, मैं वैसी चीजें यहाँ पर डिस्कस करता हूँ। मुझे कोई भी यहाँ पर लुभावनी चीजें जो होती है मैं वो कभी भी मैं डिस्कस नहीं करता हूँ। ओके, आज तक मैं आई डोंट थिंक सो, मुझे याद नहीं कि भाई चलो मैंने ऐसा कुछ आज तक कुछ कहा भी है, मैं नहीं कहता हूँ। ओके, बिकॉज आई एम फ्रॉम द बिजनेस फैमिली एंड मैं गुजरात से हूँ एंड खून में क्या होता है, धंधा ही होता है। तो क्या है कि जो होता है वो देखना चाहिए, रादर टू लुक आउट फॉर सम गैम्बलिंग। ओके, मैं थोड़ा प्रोफेशनलिज्म में बिलीव रखता हूं। सो यहां पर ये आपको समझ में आ गया। अब आज क्या हुआ था, 603 यहां पर ओपन हुआ, एक्चुअल होना चाहिए नीचे, बट 1% से ज्यादा ओपन हुआ। तो अब यहां पर जब आया था, व्हाट इज द प्रीवियस डे क्लोज, 132। ओके गाइस, थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा बट लुक आउट फॉर वेरी गुड थिंग। 132 टू -0.56, मार्केट को यहां पर ओपन होना चाहिए 41,900। ये भी मैंने प्री मार्केट एनालिसिस का ऑडियो में आपको कहा हुआ है। ओके, अब यहां पर ओपन होना चाहिए, बट ओपन हुआ कहां पर, बहुत ही ऊपर। अब जब यहां पर ट्रेड कर रहा था यहां पर, तो यहां से 900 तक ये कितना बिग डिफरेंस बचा हुआ है, 0.65%, 200 पॉइंट से ज्यादा का यहां पर डिफरेंस है। सो यू कैन गो फॉर द ट्रेड ओवर देयर, बट यू हैव टू लुक आउट फॉर सम good trade setups, good chart setups over here, and you can clearly see that on the chart that you can visibly you can draw one trend line over here, one trend line over here as well. Yes guys, don't teach me. Okay, बाप को मत सिखाओ बच्चे किस तरह से पैदा करते हैं। Okay, मुझे पता है कि यहाँ पर ये बाहर जा रहा है, बट ट्रेंड लाइन, हाउ टू ड्रॉ द गुड ट्रेंड लाइन, दिस इज द इफेक्टिवनेस। तो यहां पर आपकी जो ट्रेड अपॉर्चुनिटी हो यहां पर जनरेट होती है। अब ये किस तरह से, ओपनिंग रेंज एंड इनिशियल बैलेंस। मोस्ट ऑफ यू आर हैव अटेंडेड माय इनिशियल बैलेंस वेबिनार, वर्कशॉप। मोस्ट ऑफ यू यू हैव अटेंडेड दिस। एंड गाइज, अगर आप ये वीडियो पहली बार देख रहे हो, देन यू आर हैविंग वन गुड अपॉर्चुनिटी दैट ऑन दिस वीकेंड, ओके, ऑन दिस फ्राइडे एंड सैटरडे देयर इज वन वर्कशॉप ऑन इनिशियल बैलेंस एंड द 6 types of market days. In both languages. On the Friday it is in the English and on the Saturday it is in the Hindi. मैं guys, मैं प्रमोशन वाली बातें थोड़ी साइड में रख दो, बिकॉज मेरा जो मेन फोकस होता है इट इज मोर टूवर्ड्स द वैल्यू डिलीवरी, वैल्यू, बिकॉज आई वॉज द लेक्चर, आई वॉज द प्रोफेसर इन द कॉलेज, एंड मैं थोड़ा ट्रेडिशनल जो थॉट्स होते हैं ना, मैं उसको थोड़ा पकड़ के रखता हूँ। तो क्या है कि उस हिसाब से मत सोचिए, आपको जो मिलने वाला है ना वो कुछ नेक्स्ट लेवल का मिलने वाला है। सो हियर व्हाई यू कैन गो फॉर द ट्रेड ओवर दैट, बिकॉज हियर दिस द ओपनिंग रेंज ब्रेक। व्हाट opening range break is there? Along with that, market also gave us one triangle like structure. Before that we are having the big downfall as well. Okay, so by combining all such factors you can go for the trade over here. Now what about the target? Let me change this time frame to the 5-minute time frame chart. Now you will see the importance why this initial balance and the 6 types of market days are so much important for the intraday trading, for the options trading in the Nifty, Bank Nifty and several standard stocks. Look, market is falling, you are in the trade, market profile is here, the POC is here. So naturally market should go to the POC, yes or no? Market should go to the POC. But before that, we are having the initial balance high over here. This yesterday's means last trading sessions initial balance high is here. And if you are going to look out at this structure, then structure is quite very much well balanced. Well balanced structure is there. Guys, this balance, imbalance, okay, these are from the market profile. Okay, so here market profile is quite very much balanced. If you are going to look out at this initial balance structure, then it is also quite very much fantastic, good one. So we can say that there are strong support over here, and you can clearly see that from this initial balance high, market took support and reversed on the higher side. Now talking about the 6 types of market days, which type of day is this? Which type of day? Sir, whether we have to consider this as a typical day or something else. So guys, the answer is, it is the typical day. It is the typical day. If you are going to measure out the initial balance range, then it is 1.88 percentage wide initial balance. Okay. Along with that, we are having the drastic fall. Okay. So these are the indications to confirm you that yes, today after the initial balance formation, you do not have to do anything. And those who recently attended my mentoring program, okay, and I given you some structures, the market day structures. Kindly look out for that as well, because वो आपको बहुत बड़ी बात कहते हैं. Okay, recent अभी की बात है, जो लास्ट जो mentoring सेशन हुआ था उसकी बात है कि मार्केट ने किस तरह से यहाँ पर स्ट्रक्चर बनाया है. कंफर्म जो मैंने आपको कहा था, तो वट एवर आई टोल्ड टू यू, taught to you in the training program, same it is reflected on the chart without any open interest analysis. So the thing is, this is the typical day, that's it. Now in the last post market analysis video, I said to you that yes, overall market has the bullishness and it is going to touch the 46,000 mark. Okay, and above the last week high, means last week high, we can have the good trade opportunity on the higher side. So today what we can say is this is the correction, some profit booking in that overall trade on the higher side, because everyone cannot hold their position for the longer period of time. Who can hold their position for the quite very much high, very longer period of time? Those who are the big players, those who are the institutions, okay, FIIs, they can hold their positions for the 1 month, 2 month, 1 quarter, 2 quarter, like that. But as a retail trader, I think few of them are the people who can hold their position for like that. Okay, so here this is the profit booking. Already I explained this in the pre-market analysis audio. Okay, so I'm not going to discuss this thing. So that's it for the today. There was no any 21M method trade as well. And talking about the next day, means tomorrow's market activity, kindly wait for the pre-market analysis audio of tomorrow. Already आपको कह तो दिया है. Okay, so still if you are not joining that, kindly go to the description, you will find the link and join my Telegram channel as well. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching this video. Kindly like to this video, subscribe to this channel, and अगर आपको अच्छा लगा है तो नीचे कमेंट भी कर दो. अगर आपको कोई क्वेरी है, then you can drop out that as well. So once again, thank you guys for watching this video. Kindly like to this video, subscribe to this channel as well.